Hello guys, and welcome to this series of tutorials. I'm going to teach you how to program in C++. You might have heard of C++ alongside other programming languages such as Java, C, JavaScript, etc. Well, C++ is heavily based on C, with the additions of some object-oriented elements of which I will talk in later videos. So what we will do in this video is install the text editor and the compiler which we will use to write our programs. There are many other options when it comes to programming C++, so things like IDEs, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, which includes both the text editor and the compiler. So basically here we're going to use the Atom text editor alongside with the MinJW compiler. So go on Chrome and go on item.io. I will have all the links in the description. So first thing you have to do is download Atom. Just press on the button and wait for it to download. After it has been downloaded, go to your download folders and just click on the setup. So guys, the setup is very intuitive and I will fast forward to the point where the setup is done. So after the setup is done, you will be presented with this welcome guide. First thing you need to do is click on install a package, then open installer and search for GPP compiler. GPP-compiler. So once you find it, you should just click on the install button. In my case, I've already installed it, so there is no need to. So second thing we need to do is download the MinWG compiler. You should go on the website, download the installer, and should just wait for it to download. So after it's been downloaded, click on it, install, continue. I've already installed it, so I will reinstall it for you guys. It's going to take some time. Then click on continue. And then you will be presented with this window. You have to check everything here and then go for installation and apply changes. You should wait for that process to finish and then you are basically kind of ready to start programming. So what will happen is that you will go in Atom, File, New File, you can get rid of this, and after you write your code you should press Ctrl S to save it, sorry about that, and save it with, let's name it Hello World, and you should save it with the extension .cpp. So we know it's a C++ file. You will hit save, and after you've done that, you will hit F5 to compile it. First, you might run in some error saying that your compiler is not in the path. Don't worry about that, we're going to fix it. If you are in Windows 10, you should go in search and type environment variables for your account. Edit variables for your account. Then you should go on path, click browse, and then you should basically go to this directory and click OK. Okay. After you're done with that, go in Atom. I've already written some code here. It's a simple program. It just prints hello world to the screen. Then click Ctrl S to save it, and then after that F5 to run it. And that's basically it. That's how you write C++ programs in Atom.